Okay. Then there's another word which is infomercial. You see,
Yes, sir.
you have the commercials which are yes. Is it Mr. Anil Kumar?
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello,
Good
good
morning.
morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, sir. How are you?
I'm also doing well. So this is the 11th session that we have. Is
Yes,
that
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So today our topic for this session is advertisements. Have you seen this? Have you seen the sessions note? Are you aware of this topic?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So tell me, what has
Uh,
been the most shocking advertisement that you have seen?
One day I travel with my son, little son, and we saw the one banner, Gutka banner, and there was
Okay.
a mm, Ajay Devgan, I think. And my son asked me, "What is this?" and what he have, and eat the things. Then
Yeah.
I tell them this is very bad thing, so you don't eat this one. And so he asked me, but then he ate, but why I don't eat?
Yes.
I tell them they took from money some peoples to uh, this banner. Say
Yeah.
don't eat, just take some pictures so you don't. Uh, so I think that we have little childs and more just like me. I don't eat anything. No, I don't smoke anything. I don't like tea, coffee, anything. So
Okay.
if in publicly then spread this gutka, and sometime I saw the also drink something beer or just
Yeah.
drinking. uh, uh, so this is very bad impression in our little childs.
That's right. That's right. I mean, these celebrities take money just to appear in an ad, no matter how dangerous or harmful it could be for the young people. I
Yes,
mean, they should not be endorsing such products. And
yes,
they go about in the wrong way because they don't advertise for gutka, but they advertise for pan masala. But the
pan
real,
masala.
yeah, but the the actual advertisement is of the gutka brand, and
Okay.
same goes with some sodas.
Yes.
Actually, they are advertisement for liquor, but
Okay.
since that is not allowed, so they go the other way around and just show the brand as soda
Shoda.
just
Yes,
to
sir.
popularize their brand. And there are celebrities who understand this, but for money they can do anything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so tell me, have you seen any funny advertisement?
Mm, I seen, but I can't remember that now. Uh, Somewhere I written some thing that you don't uh, wear a helmet.
Yeah.
Your girlfriend is run away from you. And in Dharamshala, I think last 15 day, I show that ad in uh, near post office.
Okay.
That is very funniest, but if young people is realize that is very dangerous for them, then definitely they wear a helmet. And one thing is related with my wife also. Um, when he start uh, learning scooty, and
Yeah.
I tell them, so please wear a helmet. And she said, I don't think anyone grab me and find me uh, any fine, because I am working in DC office. But after 2 days later, one message we have received that you have fined 1,000 rupees for without helmet.
Oh, yeah.
Or after that, my wife always wear a helmet.
So what do you think makes an ad memorable? Is it the
Uh,
picture in
it
it, the person in it, appearing in it, or the catch line?
Catch line is memorable, uh, or depend on the banners. And if they tagline each very catchy, because uh, everyone memorize that. I saw the last 10-15 days before, but I when I see the topic, then I memorize that this is the funniest. uh,
Okay, yeah, yeah. So have you ever bought any product because you were so taken up by the advertisement?
Sorry.
Have you ever bought any product just because you were impressed by the advertisement of that product?
No, sir, I don't. Because my whole time, I sometimes I think 15 to 20 days, I always think only two things, that one is karate and another is English. Only two things I always think. And when I start my laptop, I just listening somebody's talking each other podcast, and anyone just clapping those videos, they talking each others. So
Yeah,
I start
and you
this
watched
only
that.
with this.
So do you think there is any truth in advertisements?
Mm, some uh, some advertisement is good, because when uh, they gym or fitness classes, they said that you join us, I will train like this. And if the person who follow the rules, the definitely they get the result. Because I think that when I was I last I in 2010, I am joined in one gym, because
Okay.
I feel that what is they teach, because I am a teacher in fitness industry. So I feel that what they teach in gym, so I go to the government gym in Kolkata Salt Lake Stadium. Then I for this is my first that is my first day. So I asked them who is the teacher. I asked them how to do this exercise. Then one person, he is said that giving slangs and for teacher. And then I don't want to tell them they what do say. And but teacher, when come, I ask them, and I follow. Then he told me what he said. After that, after 2-3 months or 4 months later, when I was meet the first person, both are changing in same trial room, changing room. Then he see my full body. And he asked me, how you build that type of body. Then I also slang the teacher. So he's wo gadha mujhe sikhaya. He teach me, so that I am here. then he realized the teacher is good. I am feel that teacher is not experienced. If they not experienced, the government is not taking the as a gym
Uh,
trainer,
so do you watch
because
television?
he
Do you watch TV?
yes sir. No, I watched TV last Corona time. After that, I switched to mobile and laptop.
Okay. So when you used to watch
नहीं है
TV,
चले गए वो.
so when you used to watch TV at those during those days, would you get annoyed when your favorite TV show was interrupted by advertisements?
Yes, I to 10 years.
Yeah.
Hello. Uh,
Yes, yes. Now
so
I can hear you.
so last I think I am last 10 year I show only Tarak Mehta, I think Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, and always when his advertisement come, we are always how to when this advertisement is gone, and
Okay.
after we start YouTube, there is a skip uh, uh, button,
Yeah.
so we do that.
Do you think big celebrities who appear in ads make any difference?
Uh, I think that if face value is very important, if we advertise anything,
Yeah.
if I start my karate classes ads, and I uh, some last I think I am when I was in 2008, and I take a picture with Sunil Sethi in karate pose, and
Okay.
that is a very impressed our areas peoples, and they come to and join their words to our academy. So this
Okay.
is very important face value.
Okay, Anil. The word advertise is pronounced as advertise or advertised, but advertisement, you have to shorten the ties into tis. You have to pronounce it as advertisement, not tisement.
Advertisement, teasement,
Advertisement,
advertisement.
advertisement, yes. So now there's just one minute left. We can work upon some vocabulary.
Okay.
Okay, you would be knowing the meaning of the word broadcast.
Yes, sir. Broadcast.
Okay, then there's another word which is infomercial. You
No,
see,
sir.
you have the commercials which are the advertisement, and infomercials are those advertisement which educate the public about the product.
Okay.
There's no, um, misinformation in that. Whatever the
Okay.
product is about, it's given that. Only that bit is given. It's not actually an advertisement, it is about the various features of that product. So that is an infomercial. Nowadays, when you are buying some product online, especially electronics like laptop or mobile, all the information about that item is given.
Okay.
How many GBs and RAM and screen size, etc., etc. So these are infomercials.
Okay.
What does endorse mean? ENDORSE.
No, no,
Endorse.
sir.
Endorse when a celebrity appears in an advertisement. Okay, so he is actually promoting that product and he's supporting that. So that is called endorsement.
Endorsement.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, from what I can see, you can improve your fluency by reading. You
Okay.
keep coming to these sessions, and at the same time, in your spare time, you watch some, channels about your fitness classes and maybe your English classes also. But at the same time, you can devote some time to reading books.
Sir, I read this book and this one also.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. And when you come across some new words, what do you do?
I try to, last day, I defeat, I think I learn this word, and I try to speak to, tell you one story.
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. So when you are reading a sentence and you come across some word which you're not too familiar with, try to understand the meaning from the sentence itself.
Okay.
Okay, what has been given before and after that word?
Okay.
Try to
Uh,
decipher the meaning. In case you do not get to know the meaning, then you should consult a dictionary
okay.
to know the meaning. And there itself, the pronunciation is given. Right next to each word, the breakup of the pronunciation is given. So you can practice pronouncing there.
Okay.
And secondly, when you open a dictionary, you are likely to come across many more words on the same page, which you might not be aware of, might not be knowing the meaning of. So when you check one word, you are likely to